Well, we're keeping our focus on the disturbing news that came in from the national capital, with at least 18 people who have lost their lives following the panic and chaos that took place at the platforms of the New Delhi railway station, which resulted in a stampede. Out of the 18 who are feared dead, we are told that 9 are women and many are children. The railway minister has ordered a high-level probe to find out what led to the stampede. According to the statement from the Delhi police, the stampede occurred on platform 14 of the New Delhi railway station and the escalator at platform 16. In response to the incident, the Union Health Minister has also instructed the doctors and officials to treat those who are injured. The families of those who have lost their lives are in absolute shock, and Times Now spoke to the eyewitnesses who spoke about what exactly happened. And look at the visuals on the screens. They tell the story of the unfortunate tragedy that unfolded late last evening. After the stampede took place at the New Delhi railway station, officials have said that the stampede took place because of overcrowding at the railway station. All of a sudden, at around 10:30 or 9:30 to 10 is when the incident took place.
लोगों से पता चल रहा है कि भगदड़ मच गई है, इतने लोग के साथ प्रॉब्लम हुई है, कोई अपडेशन नहीं है। वैसे
अचानक भीड़ भी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है ना, भीड़ बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है। अचानक हम लोग यहीं ऑटो चलाते हैं, अचानक यहाँ पे पब्लिक इतना ना इकट्ठा हो गया है, बहुत ज्यादा भगदड़ हो गया है।
किस तरह की भीड़ थी यहाँ पे?
कुंभ मेले जाने वाले लोग पूरा यहाँ भीड़ लगा रखे हैं।
तो जिस वक्त भगदड़ थी आप यहीं मौजूद थे?
हाँ, हम लोग यहीं मौजूद थे।
क्या हालात हुई थी यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे हालात अचानक बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ बन गई, पब्लिक अचानक, पुलिस वाले प्रशासन ने अचानक पब्लिक को हटाना शुरू किया।
तो बाहर में एम्बुलेंस वगैरह अचानक से पहुंची?
हाँ, एम्बुलेंस आया, जिप्सी उप्सी बहुत वगैरह आया और भीड़ को हटाया गया।
तो जब तक एम्बुलेंस आई आपको जानकारी नहीं थी भगदड़ हुआ है?
नहीं, इसके पहले जानकारी नहीं थी, ये अचानक भगदड़ हुई है।
इस तरीके से यहाँ पर पुलिस के जवान जो हैं वो लगातार अब कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर लगातार घूम रहे हैं, लगातार ये देख रहे हैं कि कहीं पर क्या भीड़ तो नहीं है। निश्चित तौर पर कल जिस तरीके से हादसा हुआ उसके बाद खास तौर पे ये चौकसी बढ़ती जा रही है और लगातार जो पुलिस के लोग हैं वो हर एक स्टेशन पर इसी तरीके से जा रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं कि कहीं भीड़ तो नहीं है, कहीं लोग इकट्ठा तो नहीं है। अगर जो लोग वहां पर इकट्ठा हैं उन्हें फौरन यहां से जाने के लिए कहा जा रहा है। ये प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 12 और 13 है। कल जब हादसा हुआ था उस दौरान बताया जा रहा है कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी काफी संख्या में लोग मौजूद थे, काफी लोग यहां से मूवमेंट कर रहे थे। अब देखिए तस्वीरों में आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से पुलिस के जवान जो हैं वो लगातार स्टेशनों पर जा रहे हैं, स्टेशनों पर देख रहे हैं, चौकसी बढ़ती जा रही है और ये सुनिश्चित किया जा रहा है कि भीड़ जो है वो स्टेशन पर इकट्ठा न हो। साथ ही साथ एक खास रणनीति भी बनाई गई है, क्योंकि जो भीड़ होती है वो ज्यादातर शाम के वक्त होती है, तो ऐसे में शाम से पहले एक खास रणनीति बनाई गई है। जो कैमरे लगे हुए हैं हाई रेजोल्यूशन के, उनके जरिए भी ये देखा जा रहा है कि भीड़ कहीं पे इकट्ठा न हो। पुलिस के जवान जो हैं वो भी तमाम तरीके से, एक तरीके से कहा जा सकता है, गश्त लगा रहे हैं।
We have breaking updates coming in of the compensation being announced by the government. Those who are affected in the New Delhi railway station stampede. 10 lakh compensation being announced for the families of the deceased and 2.5 lakh to those who are seriously injured and 1 lakh to those who suffered minor injuries. My colleagues Pradeep and Tetri are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pradeep, the government making this announcement. In fact, before I come to you, let's go across to Tetri, who is joining us from the hospital. And that's where the families have started gathering. We're hearing several heartbreaking stories that continue to come in of how the people suffered, Tetri, the government announcing compensation for those who lost their lives.
Well, absolutely. Remember that it is very heartbreaking for the family members, in fact, whose individuals have lost their lives. And in fact, we are reporting from the LNJP hospital. And in fact, what we are getting to know is that 18 is the number of the individuals who have died, who have lost their lives as of now. But as of now, we also, in fact, don't know the number of injured who have been hospitalized over here at the LNJP hospital. We are also showing you the visuals of LNJP hospital where the security is tightened up. And in fact, according to to the police. Remember that the platform number 13 and 14 at the New Delhi railway station were already crowded, as many people were waiting to board the two trains. And in fact, I would like to name the trains also, that is Swatantra Senani and Bhubaneswar Rajdhani. And in fact, these both trains were delayed. And in fact, amidst this, in fact, remember that a special train for Mahakumbh, Prayagraj Express, was supposed to leave at 10:10 from platform number 14, and that is in fact at platform number 14. That is the exact location where this entire incident, this entire stampede took place, where approximately 18 people have lost their lives. And in fact, the relatives of the individuals who have lost their lives also, and in fact who are injured also, they have been coming over here at the LNJP hospital. In fact, yesterday we saw the former chief minister of Delhi, Atishi, also visited the LNJP hospital. Not just that, but also the LG of Delhi, VK Saxena, also visited over here. Now we'll have to see, that what the high-level committee that has been formed by the Union Railway Minister Ashwini Kumar investigates in this entire matter. We'll keep you showing you the visuals as to
all right, Tikshi, we'll come back to you. We have more breaking updates coming in as an investigation has been ordered to find out what led to the stampede. We have details coming in. These are preliminary details revealed by the police officials. So the DCP of Railways saying that the crowd surged suddenly. There were two trains that were delayed and the platform change news led to some chaos. So there were announcements of a platform change that led to a lot of chaos, with many perhaps thinking that they may miss their trains, after which there was absolute chaos. And the police officials also saying that there was overselling of the train tickets that led to the overcrowding. Listen in.
जो बेसिकली एक टाइम पे ट्रेन्स का डिले, कुछ दो ट्रेन्स डिले हो गई थी और उसके अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टिकट्स थी जो कि लोगों ने उस टाइम पे परचेज करी थी प्रयागराज के लिए, जहाँ और स्टेशंस के लिए। वो सारा क्राउड इन कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे ज्यादा इकट्ठा हो गया, उसमें थोड़ी भगदड़।
क्या क्राउड का अंदाजा नहीं लगा पाए सर आप लोग? क्राउड का अंदाजा नहीं लगा पाए थे?
क्राउड का अंदाजा हम लोगों ने लगाया था, और सिचुएशन में बता रहा हूँ, जो पूरा टाइम फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टाइम जिसमें 10 मिनट में हुआ, उसमें ज्यादा लोगों का आना, उसके अलावा दो ट्रेन का डिले होना।
Pradeep continues to stay live with us. And Pradeep, what led to the tragedy? What led to this stampede is a question that is being asked of the authorities. Was there unpreparedness, mismanagement by the authorities? Because they blamed the delay in the trains as well as the overselling of the tickets for the tragedy.
See, when they say overselling of the ticket, for that, who is to be blamed? Because that is the question everybody is asking, because authorities have already admitted, one, there was a delay in train, second, there was overselling of tickets, and third, what the eyewitness had been saying, that all of a sudden there was an announcement on the platform number 14 saying that you should shift to the platform, other platform where the train is waiting, and in the process the people started rushing, and while they were just climbing the stairs, that was the time when stampede took place, and already inquiry has been ordered, high-level inquiry. And let me show you, see, what high-level inquiry team will be doing. The first thing they will be doing is that they will be scanning the CCTV cameras and the CCTV footage, because at every place there here at platform the CCTV cameras are installed. So what they're going to do, they're going to scan CCTV footage, and no rocket science is required, because most of the CCTV cameras are facing towards the staircase where actually this stampede took place. And so after that they will also be interacting with the eyewitnesses. They will try to know from their side what actually had happened, and they will also speak to the officials there on the ground. They will be having their side of the story also. Then after that the report will be submitted, because they want to fix responsibility, because people want that there should be action against the person responsible for mismanagement, because everybody knew that there will be this is a weekend time, large number of people will be present, otherwise also they will be going to different destinations, that there were people moving towards Prayagraj and the devotees were going there. So they should have made better arrangements that would not have caused such a situation, because this 10 minutes of trauma and tragedy has shattered many lives, and has not only shattered lives but also that crushed several dreams, because nobody would have thought that they will be losing their near and dear ones, because many people were having smile on their faces while they were about to board the train, because they thought that they will be going towards Prayagraj, where they will be the part of the Kumbh Mela, where they will be praying and their prayers will be answered, so that they will be praying for the better and prosperous future. They never thought that this is going to leave that void in their life forever, because it's going to leave that indelible mark. The 10 minutes not only shattered families but also crushed their dreams. 10 minutes of trauma and tragedy has left that void and that unbearable loss, which will take for years for that to, in fact, fill that one. So no amount of compensation is really going to fill that void. That's what actually the family members are saying. Though the government is taking all sorts of measures today, they are trying to ensure that no such incident should take in place in your future. You can see right now that the platform is clear and there is hardly any crowd. They've taken certain management, certain measures to ensure that crowd management here in this area. But still there are several questions that need to be answered, and the inquiry team will be looking into all these things. But unfortunately what is happening is that even today the politics has started over the issue. Many an opposition party leader, they started asking several questions to the government.
The opposition is continuing to raise questions and saying that there should be accountability. Pradeep, stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in. The Northern Railway CPRO has now spoken up on the stampede, saying people had slipped and there were many others who got caught in this entire melee. The accident happened on platform 14. So revealing details of what exactly transpired, saying a high-level inquiry has been ordered.
जिस समय यह दुखद घटना घटित हुई उस समय नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पर पटना की ओर जाने वाली मगध एक्सप्रेस और प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 15 पर जम्मू की तरफ जाने वाली उत्तर संपर्क क्रांति खड़ी थी। इस दौरान फुटओवर ब्रिज से 14 नंबर और 15 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म की तरफ आने वाली सीढ़ियों पर पैसेंजर के फिसल कर गिरने से उनके पीछे के कई यात्री इसकी चपेट में आ गए और यह दुखद घटना घटित हुई। इस हादसे की उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी द्वारा जांच की जा रही है।
So, Tejshi, the railway is saying that a high-level probe will be ordered into what exactly happened and what led to this unfortunate tragedy.
Well, absolutely, a high-level probe will be ordered so as to what transpired into this entire incident. And in fact, a committee will be formed. We'll have to see that how the investigation takes place by this entire committee. Who are all those responsible for this entire incident? And in fact, we'll keep on showing you the visuals that what is happening over here outside LNJP hospital. And in fact, we also spoke to the LNJP director, who in fact mentioned that number of individuals came midnight here at the LNJP hospital who were hospitalized, who were injured, and in fact number of them have already been discharged, but there are some very serious patients who are still hospitalized. Not just that, but yes, there are many who have also lost their lives, but as of now the number of individuals who have been injured, that number is also not yet clear. And in fact, you know, the official number of the individuals who have lost their lives has not yet been declared, but yes, what we are picking up from our sources that the official number is 18. And in fact, remember that the relatives of the individuals who are hospitalized were they're also pouring in over here at the LNJP hospital continuously. And in fact, there is just one question in their mind, that they were just boarding the train to Prayagraj, and in fact what was their mistake, what was their fault, is what the relatives of all those patients have been asking who are hospitalized were. However, we'll have to see that what action is being taken by the committee, what further steps are being taken by this committee, and in fact who all are responsible for this entire incident. Remember that this is also a weekend time. That is why perhaps there were thousands of people who were there at the New Delhi railway station, because of which this could also be perhaps one of the reasons why there was there were a number of people who gathered over there at New Delhi railway station. And not just that, because in fact remember that travelers could also be going to Prayagraj and also to different places, because it was weekend, and in fact that is why it created mishap at that particular place. But yes, we are still awaiting for the official number of deaths, and in fact the official number of the injured individuals who are still hospitalized at LNJP hospital, from where we are reporting from.
All right, we'll come back to you for those details. Before that, let's quickly go across to Pradeep Datta, who's joining us from the New Delhi railway station.
No comment, sir.
अच्छा कुछ
नहीं सर, मैं ऑथराइज नहीं हूँ सर, हमारे सीनियर अफसरों से वो ऑथराइज हैं बोलने के लिए।
अच्छा, लेकिन अभी आप पूरा देख रहे हैं, आप पूरा जायजा कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, हम तो रात से देख रहे हैं जी।
रात से देख रहे हैं आप पूरा? ये सीसीटीवी वगैरह कुछ अभी कुछ देखा?
सर रात से देख रहे हैं।
लोगों से बातचीत करिए।
Please no comments.
So we had been interacting with the police officers here. You can see a large number of police officers already. Inquiry has started there. They are saying that since last night they are interacting with the people. The concerned authorities are also trying to find out what really had happened, and they are also going to scan the CCTV footage. You can see large number of police officers, and with them also the women cops are also with them. They are here monitoring the situation and also trying to ensure that the crowd is properly managed here in this area. No more such incident take place, because reason is that what really happened yesterday should not have happened. As my colleague was rightly saying, this was a weekend, and then there were a large number of devotees moving towards Prayagraj for being a part of the Kumbh Mela. So in such a situation, they should have anticipated that there will be a large number of people present on the platform, so they should have taken enough measure to ensure such things should not happen. As the railway authorities said that it was basically, let me show you. See, this is the platform number 15, where the Sampark Krati was going towards the Jammu region. On the other side is the platform number 14, where the train was moving towards Patmar region. And that was the time when they say that some people slipped from the staircase, and that led to, they were caught in a melee, and that led to confusion and chaos, and finally there was a stampede that led to the loss of 18 lives, and which included 14 women.
Okay, all right. Pradeep, stay with us. We are breaking updates coming in of Ashwini Vaishnav ordering a probe. The railway minister has ordered a high-level inquiry to find out what happened. Meenakshi is joining us with that update.
Absolutely, Pratibha. Without much ado, let's quickly take our viewers through the multiple tweets, the posts which have been put up by Ashwini Vaishnav. He says, a high-level inquiry ordered, situation under control at the New Delhi railway station. Delhi police, RPF at the station, injured, taken to hospital. Special trains also working to evacuate the rush of people there. Also, Ashwini Vaishnav saying that he was deeply saddened by the unfortunate stampede. His condolences and prayers with those who have lost their lives. Entire team working to assist those who have been affected. Obviously, operative part being the fact, as you were telling us, that a high-level inquiry has been ordered.
Okay, all right. So the Railways Minister ordering a high-level inquiry to find out what led to the stampede. Remember, we have spoken to the police officials who have said that there was a sudden overcrowding at the railway station, and then it got too much for the police officials to intervene and control. In fact, we also have several testimonies, heart-wrenching testimonies from the survivors and eyewitnesses who paint a grim picture of the New Delhi railway station stampede. Witnesses described how the platforms were completely overcrowded and there was sheer panic.
We are currently present at platform number 16, and this is where people are also alleging that a stampede-like situation was created here as well, and there was a lot of ruckus created. We'll open this up, have a conversation with the people who are key eyewitnesses. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, आपने क्या देखा, अपना नाम बताएं पहले।
मेरा नाम सालू सिंह है जी। जो औरत लेडीज जो हमारे जो जिसका कांड हुआ है, जो भी घटना हुआ ये हमारे आंख के सामने हुआ, और वो लेडीज ये बात हमसे खुद तक बोल रही थी कि बाबू लग रहा है मैं नहीं बचूंगी। ये
देखा आप लोगों ने देखा क्या?
मैंने ये चीज देखा कि वो इतनी दबी हुई थी, इतनी ज्यादा दबी हुई थी।
कितने लोग थे, कितने लोग आप बोल रहे हो?
बहुत लोगों की तो कोई कमी नहीं है मैडम,
गिनती नहीं हो सकती, इतने सारे लोग थे,
उसकी गिनती नहीं है।
और वहाँ पे कितने लोग आपको लगा कि दबे हुए हैं?
अरे बहुत लोग दबे हुए हैं, उसमें तो गिनती नहीं है, बहुत से लोग।
जो भीड़ थी,
अच्छा,
बहुत ही ज्यादा तादाद में भीड़ थी, जिसके वजह से लोग भागदौड़ी में कुछ लोग दब गए पैरों के नीचे, जो उठ नहीं पाए।
आपके सामने आप कह रहे हैं कि आपने देखा लोगों का दम घुट रहा था, वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? वहाँ पे उनको कोई बचाने निकला?
पुलिस वाले एक थे जो कंट्रोल कर रहे थे, मगर उनका कंट्रोल का बाहर था। अच्छा ये बताइए, आप अगर खुद हम लोग अपनी जान नहीं बचा पाए तो फिर दूसरे को कैसे बचाए?
आप लोग वहाँ से कैसे निकले?
परिवार हमारे है जिन्होंने अपनी 7 साल की बेटी को खो दिया है, और ये बहुत ही दुखद है। बात करना भी बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन हम जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या हुआ था। सर, क्या स्थिति थी वहाँ पर?
मैम, वहाँ ट्रेन से उतरे, उनका हम घर जा रहे हैं तो ऊपर सीढ़ी चढ़े तो लोग ऊपर से बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे थे, इधर से कम थे लोग। एक के ऊपर एक मतलब ऊपर आ गए, ऊपर से बैग भी फेंक रहे थे, अटैची फेंक रहे थे लड़के। उसमें इतने लोग दब गए, नाकों से खून निकल रहा था। मेरी बेटी ना वो लोहे का वो था ना, उसमें घुस गई और उसके माथे पे पूरा वो हो गया, पूरा लाल पड़ा। छोटी थी जब गोदी में। कल हम पार्टी में घूम के आए, आज हम उसको उसमें लेके जा रहे हैं।
बहुत मुश्किल घड़ी है, बात करना बहुत मुश्किल है, मैं समझती हूँ, लेकिन सर बता सकते हैं क्या वहाँ पर स्टेशन पे कोई हेल्प करने के लिए था?
नहीं मैम, हम ऑटो से आए, ऑटो से। कोई
अस्पताल आप लेके आए?
ऑटो से।
आप एम्बुलेंस नहीं आई?
नहीं आई थी मैम, हम खुद ऑटो से आए। वहाँ से जो सामान धोते ना कुली, उन्होंने पैसा में दिया, मेरे जेब से पैसे भी, मोबाइल भी निकाल लिए।
चोरी कर लिए किसी?
हाँ, और उन्होंने पैसे दिए, उन्होंने 300 रुपये 400 रुपये, तो हम लेके आए अपनी बेटी को यहाँ पे ऑटो से। कोई एम्बुलेंस नहीं थी मैम, कोई निकलने की जगह ही नहीं थी। वो हम इतनी स्पीड में आए कि ट्रेन आ जाए ना तो हम कट के मर भी जाते, फांदते हुए आए पूरे पटरी से। उससे भी नहीं आया कि जीने चढ़े, जीने होने में जगह नहीं थी। लेकिन मैंने जैसे देखा मेरी बेटी हाथ नीचे, नस नहीं चल रही, मैं तुरंत भागा, बाप भी दे, लेकिन कुछ भी।
परिवार के कितने लोग थे आप लोग प्रयागराज जाने के लिए? क्या आप लोग की ट्रेन के बुकिंग टिकट्स थे?
नहीं मैम, हम वो जनरल टिकट से जा रहे थे।
कितने लोग थे आप लोग?
6 लोग।
और बाकी लोग कहाँ पर?
यही है सब।
एक ही बेटी है,
ये मेरी बेटी।
एक बेटी ये भी जा रही थी।
तो यहाँ पर अस्पताल में लाए तो डॉक्टर ने देखा इमरजेंसी में, क्या बोला?
उन्होंने कहा कोशिश कर रहे हैं लेकिन आपकी बेटी खत्म हो चुकी है।
क्या हुआ था? आप लोग कितने बजे स्टेशन पहुंचे थे? कब स्थिति खराब हुई? कितने बजे की?
8:30 बजे के आसपास ही खराब हो गई थी। लोग ना उसमें मतलब बिल्कुल जबरदस्ती वाला काम था, कोई उतरने का वो नहीं हो रहा था। लोग एक से ऊपर चढ़ते चले गए।
संभालने के लिए क्या स्टेशन पे आरपीएफ या दिल्ली पुलिस की या फिर कोई भी प्रशासन का?
एक पुलिस वाला था सिर्फ।
और कितनी भीड़ थी?
भीड़ कम से कम कुछ भी नहीं, हजारों रहे होंगे और ज़्यादा ही रहे होंगे। नीचे भी जगह नहीं तो ऊपर से भी चढ़े आ रहे थे।
आखिर ऐसा क्यों हुआ? आप लोग को क्या बोला, क्या अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी? क्या ट्रेन दूसरे?
नहीं मैम, कोई एम्बुलेंस नहीं, वो आया था मगर आई थी 14 नंबर प्लेटफार्म पे और शिवगंगा एक्सप्रेस 12 से जा चुकी थी। तो मैंने भीड़ के चक्कर में मैंने कहा इसमें चलते हैं, इसके चक्कर में इसमें आए तो मैंने कहा ज़्यादा भीड़ है तो चलो घर चलते हैं। और घर जैसे ऊपर जी ने,
आप लोग घर जाने के लिए निकल रहे थे तब इस तरह की भगदड़ मची?
हाँ, इसलिए आमने सामने लोग नीचे से चढ़ने वाले कम थे, ऊपर से आने वाले पूरा वो जीना पे ऊपर से चढ़ते हुए चले आए।
आपको क्या लगता है कि किसकी लापरवाही है जो इस तरह की घटना हुई?
अब रेलवे वाली गलती है। अब ऊपर सीटी जिस हिसाब से मार रहे थे, फोन आया होता है, कोई ऊपर रोका होता तो रुक सकते थे। मैम टीटी ना खाली कोई टिकट नहीं है ना, उसको काटने के लिए खड़े रहते, क्या मतलब संभालने के लिए नहीं खड़े रहते? ये भी तो हो सकता है। आप ट्रेन से बाहर निकलोगे तुरंत टीटी मिलेगी, अरे थोड़ा ऊपर भी तो आ जाते हो। ये नहीं था, एक पुलिस वाला था, वो बता तो रहा हूँ, लेकिन टीटी तो कुछ काम बनता है नहीं, बगैर टिकट के तुम जाने नहीं देते हो। तुम ये चीज़ तो देख सकते हो कि मतलब ऊपर भगदड़ मच रही है, तुम आ सकते हो।
और भी वहाँ पे किस तरह की तस्वीरें थी
मैम?
कितने लोग, आपको लग रहा है कि कितने लोगों की मौत हुई वहाँ पर? कितने लोग घायल हुए थे? क्या कंडीशन थी? आप आंखों देखी?
मैम हम बता रहे हैं, कई जने घायल ऐसे थे, नाकों से खून आ रहे थे, कानों से खून आ रहे थे, ऐसे निकल रहे थे, लोगों की आंखें निकल गई। अब ये पता नहीं कितने खत्म बता रहे हैं, लेकिन लोगों को खींचा जा रहा था, बिल्कुल होश नहीं था।